All right, guys, I'm out here with the Vivi, right here, the Vivi, and we're gonna take our first trail ride. You know, it's starting to break, the weather. I don't know what the temperature is. It's not that warm, but I mean, we're gonna do it anyway, right? Okay, that's what we do. We do what we do. First trail ride with the Vivi, and we're gonna see how it hangs. Got the little emergency kit strapped on, so let's get to it. Okay, wee. Oh, I had to get my water bottle. There was a minor delay. Okay, let me reset reset trip. Okay, so now we're at 0. Oh, I forgot. You gotta turn off the pedal assist for the throttle to work. That's what's weird about this thing, but you know, it is what it is. Ooh, it's chilly once you start moving. Oh yeah, it's cold. Wow. Now we got to go see how the trail is, because if it's all soggy and muddy, I'm just gonna turn around and go back. I'm not gonna do like I did with that other bike. Oh, it was terrible that day. I forgot the name of it. It was just an awful mess out here that day. And so we're just gonna do some throttling. Now the trail don't look too bad as far as mud, but that's right here. I mean, let's get a mile down the road here and see what it looks like. But I'll tell you what, it's cold out. Wow, it's way colder than I thought it was going to be. Oh, this is a very comfortable bike, guys. Very comfortable. Yeah, the trail don't look too bad so far. Yes, it's definitely chilly out here. Okay, so now I'm curious. Now I have to stop and check the weather. Okay, so we made it 4/10 of a mile so far. We're rolling, but I have to stop and check out this temperature because man, it just feels awfully cold. It says 44. Okay, 44. See that? Yeah. Okay, guess what? It feels a lot colder than that. So we're gonna get back going again. I don't know how far we're gonna go. Now this battery on this bike, I mean, I'm thinking, yeah, you should be able to get at least, well, in the ad it says 65 miles with pedal assist, which I'm not gonna do, right? But for just regular mileage, I mean, you should be able to get at least 30 miles, at least, from just this 20 amp hour battery, I would think. Now I have a scooter coming today. I'm pretty sure this is the new in-motion scooter they're sending out, which I'm very excited about. It's the dual motor. Yeah, okay, so I'm digging that. It's the dual motor scooter. Yeah, the trail today is way better than it was the day I was out here with the, the Kakuka. That's right, I was out here with the Kakuka, and it was muddy as all get out, but it's a lot drier today. So, oh yeah, it's definitely chilly out here today. Wow. Well, hopefully it'll warm up a couple of degrees as we're going. We can always hope. I am going to stop and put on the gloves. There is nobody out, okay, as you see that. I'm the only Dumbo here. Well, those ladies, but they're not, you know, they're not on a bike, they're walking. So it's not as cold when you're walking as when you're on this bike. This bike, it's cold. Makes a big difference getting them hands covered up. That's for sure. Now your speed is going to jump in and out, of course, because of the GPS here. You know, you're not getting a steady signal for GPS at all back on these trails. So the speedometer will jump all over the place. So. Okay, so we are at 2.5 miles. I think we'll be hitting the cemetery here in a minute, and I'll take a break. I'm just doing the regular cruising here. I'm not like wide open or nothing. I'm just cruising normal. The legal, speed for these trails is 15. It's as fast as you're supposed to go. So I just come out here to relax and do this. I don't come out here to break any speed records or anything like that. Yeah, so it's not muddy at all out here, so it's fine. I was thinking maybe it would be a little bit muddy because of all the rain and stuff, but no, it's not. We should be coming up on the cemetery here any minute. Yeah, this is a great trail bike here, guys. Wow. Real nice. Okay, so we made it to the cemetery. What's going on over here? There's the firewood. There's the restroom, which I don't need to use, but we are going to take a picture. So I'm going to stop for a minute and do that. Yeah, we went 3.5 miles so far. All right, I'm going to pause the video for a while, maybe pick it back up once we get up to the Buena Vista trailhead. All right, guys, we made it to the Buena Vista trailhead, and it's a beautiful scene. Oh, it's really cold. I don't know if I want to go much more because I'm really freezing. But okay, so far we went 5.4 miles and we haven't used not one bar of the battery. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the battery on this thing so far. I think we'll go for just a little bit longer. All right, guys, we made it to the red waterfall, and it is 7.13 miles. I kind of screwed up the relive app thing. I forgot to unpause it when I stopped to take a break and put it on pause, and I forgot to. It screwed that all up, so I'm not even going to put that in there. But yeah, so we made it here, 7 miles. So far, it's not lost one bar of the battery. I'm like, oh my God. Okay, so you know this battery, this 20 amp hour battery is going to get you some, boy, once this warms up, I'm going to be able to take this for a real long ride. No doubt. All right. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later, man. I'm going to put it on the time lapse to go back. I'll go back on the video when I get back. right, guys, I made it back, and as you see, there's still full bars on there. Under the throttle, as I was pulling up, one of the lights was off. So this 20 amp hour battery is going to get a tremendous amount of mileage, because we went 14 miles. Now the speedometer, the battery died in the speedometer, but we turned around at 7 miles. Okay, so I'm going to assume that it's 7 miles back and make the 14 miles. Okay, I'm going to be a genius and assume if I went out 7 miles, then the same distance was on the way back. So let's give a big thumbs up to this Vivi. Wow, did it perform great. Wow. I'm real impressed with it. Now, of course, you know, it's freezing. Okay, so I'm sniffling and doing all that other nonsense. So let me just get out of here. I'll talk to you guys later.